Hi guys! This time I'm back as a Korean mom. How much do you know about the life of a parent of a young preschool schooler in Korea? Especially in this episode, I'd like to share about what parents do for a birthday party there. Hello, I'm Boli and it's Boli's Korean. Look, this is how I and the teachers of my baby communicate through the school notebook. Just in case you're not familiar with how we call preschool or nursery school in Korea, that is 어린이집, 어린이집, which is a compound noun of 어린이 and 집, meaning kids and house respectively. And as this notebook as a specific notebook to communicate used in 어린이집, we call it 어린이집 수첩. 어린이집 수첩. 수첩 is a word for smaller notebooks and planners. The school notifies upcoming events in the preschool in advance through this 수첩. And I got this one, a notice for an upcoming birthday party. When you look at the last sentence of the notice, you can understand straight away why notices should be advanced, because there is always something to prepare as a parent. Let's have a look at that. 즐거운 생일 잔치가 될 수 있도록 선물 준비해서 보내주세요. It means to prepare gifts for the birthday kids on the B-day. And here goes a good mom preparing and wrapping the gift. Actually, because I'm a quite beginner parent of a schooler, I even asked the teacher what kind of gifts I need to prepare. And for your information, she said the cost range should be under 5,000 won, which is definitely under $5, so that no one feels burdened due to the gift. This time, I'm preparing clearing socks and hairband for the birthday girls. I hope the girls and moms are happy with this small gift. Well, are you good at wrapping, by the way? This kind of wrapping turns out not good in shape. At least, it is not my taste. So, I will try to wrap it in a different way. Yes, with this one, it is much better. Do you agree? And you know what? Here comes the tricky part. Leaving a birthday wish. So, should I leave a message as my baby girl or just me? Really me as her mom? Actually, I pretended as my 20 months baby, so I usually write down like, "Hello my friend, happy birthday to you. I wish we get along well together, stay healthy, etc." But honestly, this makes me cringe. So cringe. I hate this moment. And this is what a birthday party is like in a preschool. After my baby's finishing the school on someone's birthday, I check her school bag more carefully because there might be something tasty. I mean, the moms of birthday kids usually prepare something to say thank you for congratulating her baby's birthday. We call it 답례품. 답례품. 답례품 means usually some stuff we offer to say thank you. And for me, this school is where I hear the word 답례품 so often. 답례품 is not necessary. It totally depends on the mom whether to prepare or not. But for my baby's preschool, it seems every single mom prepares. So not to be a bad mom, I'm currently thinking what I should prepare for upcoming my baby's birthday. So here are the 답례품s from the birthday girls. Alright, today I talked about a birthday party in a Korean preschool because some of you might be a parent of a preschooler here in Korea in the future. So I wanted to share what it is like. And the expressions for today were 어린이집, 어린이집 수첩, and 답례품. I hope it is useful and informative for your Korean learning journey. Thank you as always for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!